very good morning. This is Engineer Ahmed Sultanana, CEO of HSE Business International. Today I will be telling you how to do HSE Risk Assessment. HSE Risk Assessment is done by using the tables of likelihood and severity and putting the values from that tables to the matrix to get the low risk, medium risk or high risk. Any hazard if present anywhere, for example, hazard of a sharp corners of the table, for example, if the hazard is present in the office area, then from the likelihood we will see that there is possible that person can strike the edge of the table, and then the severity is that it can give to a little bit pain and the area where it strikes near to first aid. So when we putting the values of likelihood and severity table to the matrix, we will get the level of, for example, low risk. When we get the low risk from the matrix, we will put the control measures on it, and the control measures will be like make the edges of the table circle around, make not they should not be sharp, should be having a sign over there that the corners of the tables are sharp, need to intimate the persons by mail, and need to have a signs over there, need to have a information sharing to all the people about these things. These can be control measure of that. And for example, another hazard, where we take the example of that there is a place where the person is working at height and not wearing PPs and safety harness. There is a likelihood that the person can fall, and the 70 maybe it can be a hospitalization because person is working more than 4 feet height, more than 2 meter. So then when we put it into the matrix of the hazard risk level, we will get that high risk level. So for this control measure can be that we have to stop the working of that person where we're working on the height without safety, provide the proper PPs, wearing all the PPs, having a first aid box, having a first aider over there, having emergency numbers over there, have the person will be competent, there should be proper training of the person, there should be safety instruction for the person should be for safety shoes, person should be safety gloves, person should be safety harness, person should be safety helmet, person should be safety goggles, a person should be safety mask, and all these things should be control measures for these type of hazard which I have told you. So these are just two examples of how to do the risk assessment and how to apply control measures. If you need more information, if you need more details, you can contact me from anywhere in the world at +9